Why is the resurrection of this fox body different than any other? Perhaps it's not, but then again, maybe it is. You see, for the last 20 years, I've been married to a woman that has passionately supported my enthusiasm for drag racing, motorsports, and all things loud. She has spent countless hours with me in the garage, at the racetrack, showing her support, taking pictures, shooting videos, or even turning wrenches when necessary. This car belongs to her. This project came into our life after she spent a weekend piloting my daily driver in a true street event in 2005. After that day, she was hooked. Soon after, we found a deal on a roller that we couldn't pass up. It took a year of parts gathering, bodywork, painting, and reassembling, but by 2008, she was roadworthy and trackworthy. We had some fun racing, street driving, but life gets busy, and eventually racing moved to the bottom of our priority list. Soccer, basketball, cross country, 4-H, tennis, and all the other family activities became our primary form of entertainment. Sometime around 2013, the coupe unofficially entered retirement, and it has remained that way until today. So here we are in 2023, with one kid conquering the world at college, and one kid driving, working, and playing tennis like Serena Williams. We see the writing on the wall. We're quickly moving toward an empty nest. So anyway, why is the resurrection of this fox body different than any other? It's more than just dust-covered steel and glass. It's cruise-ins at Quaker Steak and Lube with friends and family. It's the cool fall air and the smell of tire smoke at Tri-State Dragway. It's the past and it's the future. Perhaps someday we'll pass it on to the next generation to make some of their own memories. But for now, all I know is it's time to bring her back to life.